Are you tired of the daily grind, trading hours for money, and constantly chasing after that elusive financial freedom? What if there's a way to break free from this cycle and create a steady stream of income that flows effortlessly into your pockets? Welcome to the world of passive income cash flow assets, a realm where your money works for you, generating earnings even while you sleep. Curious about delving into the realm of passive earnings? Look no further than the esteemed figure of Robert Kiyosaki, an accomplished American entrepreneur, investor, and the mastermind behind the acclaimed book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kiyosaki has not only illuminated the path to financial prowess, but has also served as a mentor to individuals worldwide seeking to amass wealth and establish streams of passive income. In today's video, we'll delve into Kiyosaki's latest insights and explore his top 6 recommendations for lucrative cash flow investments that have the potential to bolster your earnings. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth for more informative videos. Diving into the realm of passive income strategies, let's consider the allure of dividend stocks as a robust means to cultivate a steady cash flow. When you opt for these stocks, a slice of the company's profits is bestowed upon you in the form of dividends. This investment avenue not only offers an ongoing stream of income, but also eliminates the need to part with your shares. As observations over time have indicated, stocks boasting substantial yields present a prudent asset choice, capable of furnishing a consistent revenue stream while maintaining the integrity of your portfolio. To maximize the potential returns, it's advisable to align your investments with companies known for unwavering dividend payments and grounded financial stability. Amidst the allure of passive income opportunities, it's only natural to ponder the potential pitfalls lurking within the stock market. Yet, let's not forget that investing in equities holds the potential to be a formidable tool for wealth accumulation, provided you are willing to embark on a journey of meticulous analysis and strategic investment. Beyond the volatility that often characterizes the stock market lies a realm of opportunity for those who are ready to delve into well-researched, high-quality companies. Diversifying your passive income portfolio presents an opportunity to explore a unique avenue, intellectual property. This compelling source of revenue stems from intangible creations of the mind, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets that hold the potential to generate considerable earnings over time. By safeguarding valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works through legal protection, you can open doors to a world of passive income possibilities. Among the avenues within the realm of intellectual property, patents stand as a formidable strategy. If you're the mastermind behind a groundbreaking invention, securing a patent grants you exclusive rights to utilize and market your innovation for a specific duration. This exclusivity can be leveraged to create passive earnings by either licensing your patent to others or outright selling it to a company. The illustrious case of the Post-it note patent exemplifies this notion, as its inventor garnered a substantial $12 million through its sale to 3M. To this day, the patent continues to channel earnings into their account without active involvement. Copyrights, another facet of intellectual property, offer a gateway to passive income through the protection of original creative works. Whether it's literature, music, films, or software, copyright safeguards against unauthorized copying or distribution. By obtaining copyright, you unlock the potential to amass earnings passively via royalties from sales or by licensing your creation to interested parties. J.K. Rowling's globally acclaimed Harry Potter series serves as a prime example, with over 500 million copies sold worldwide. Beyond book sales, Rowling's passive income is propelled by movie rights, merchandise, and more, illustrating the long-term financial rewards of intellectual property ownership.
When I create that cash flow game, it's intellectual property. It's patented. It's in 50 different languages. Every quarter they send me a check. Zero investment into it. When I write a book, like this book here, I think I make about $600,000 a month just from royalties coming off this book, because I sell the book to a book publishing company, and they send me a check.
An annuity, a financial tool that has withstood the test of time, stands as a reliable pillar in the realm of retirement planning. At its core, an annuity represents a contract between an individual and an insurance company designed to provide a steady stream of income over a specified period or even for the entirety of one's life. This predictable flow of funds serves as a shield against the uncertainties of an ever-changing financial landscape, offering individuals a sense of security as they navigate their golden years. Annuities come in various forms, including fixed, variable, and indexed annuities, each tailored to cater to different risk preferences and investment goals. While fixed annuities guarantee a predetermined interest rate, providing a consistent payout, variable annuities tie returns to the performance of underlying investment options, potentially yielding higher earnings, but with associated market risks. Indexed annuities, on the other hand, offer a balance between stability and growth by linking returns to a market index. Beyond retirement, annuities can also play a pivotal role in financial planning for other life stages. They serve as a tool for deferring taxes, allowing individuals to accumulate funds without immediate tax implications until withdrawals begin. This can be particularly advantageous for those in higher tax brackets seeking to minimize their tax burden. Annuities also provide a means of transferring wealth, allowing individuals to allocate assets to beneficiaries upon their passing. While annuities offer an array of benefits, it's crucial to weigh their advantages against associated costs and limitations. Establishing businesses can emerge as a potent wellspring of passive income when crafted with precision. The bedrock of cultivating such income revolves around constructing a system that functions autonomously, alleviating the necessity for constant owner involvement. The crux lies in incubating a scalable enterprise primed to generate revenue sans the demand for continual hands-on management. An array of avenues unfurls under this umbrella, encompassing ventures like crafting ebooks, online courses, and digital commodities that, once forged, can perpetually propagate revenue streams through repeated sales. However, what if the realm of business ownership doesn't align with your present circumstances, whether due to time constraints or limited resources? A remedy surfaces in the form of passive investment in existing enterprises. Adopting the mantle of a passive investor, one can reap financial rewards sans active participation in the industry's day-to-day operations. Robert Kiyosaki, a luminary in this arena, epitomizes the trajectory from modest beginnings to a captivating empire of businesses that churn out a ceaseless stream of passive income. Kiyosaki's journey embarked in childhood, with his earliest foray involving the sale of wallets at the tender age of 9. Through the passage of time, he orchestrated the birth and blossoming of numerous successful enterprises, each weaving a fabric of prosperity through avenues of passive revenue. Peer-to-peer lending, a disruptive force in the traditional financial landscape, has ushered in a democratized approach to borrowing and investing. This innovative model enables individuals to directly connect with one another through online platforms, bypassing the intermediary role of traditional financial institutions. Borrowers seeking funds can present their cases, while investors looking for opportunities can evaluate these cases and allocate funds accordingly. This process, often facilitated through user-friendly online platforms, promotes accessibility and transparency, allowing for a diverse range of individuals to participate in both sides of the lending equation. One of the alluring aspects of peer-to-peer lending is its potential to generate attractive returns for investors. By cutting out the middlemen, investors can allocate their funds directly to borrowers, potentially reaping higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts or other investment options. This presents an opportunity for individuals to diversify their portfolios and harness the power of compound interest. However, like any investment, peer-to-peer lending carries inherent risks. The success of these investments hinges on the borrower's ability to repay their loans, making it essential for investors to conduct due diligence and carefully assess the risk associated with each lending opportunity. Real estate, often heralded as one of the cornerstones of wealth creation, offers a tangible and versatile avenue for investment. The allure of real estate lies in its potential to generate both passive income and long-term appreciation. Rental properties, for instance, exemplify the concept of passive income, as they provide a consistent stream of revenue through monthly rent payments. Moreover, real estate's potential for appreciation over time is a key attraction. As demand for properties in desirable locations grows and supply remains limited, property values can appreciate, allowing investors to realize substantial gains when they decide to sell. This dual potential for rental income and capital appreciation makes real estate a compelling option for individuals seeking to build and diversify their investment portfolios.
Risk is you look in the mirror. It's who's looking back at you. You're the risk, not the investment. For example, I invest in a lot of real estate and say, oh, real estate is so risky, so I think I'll buy ETFs. So you play it safe, but you'll learn more by investing in real estate.
Nonetheless, entering the world of real estate investment necessitates careful consideration and understanding. Factors such as market trends, location, property management, and financing play crucial roles in the success of real estate endeavors. Moreover, there are different avenues to explore, from residential properties like single-family homes and condominiums to commercial properties such as office spaces, retail outlets, and industrial complexes. Each comes with its own set of intricacies and considerations. For those without substantial capital to invest directly in property, there's an alternative: real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts function as investment vehicles that pool resources from multiple individuals to own and manage income-generating real estate. Through investing in real estate investment trusts, individuals can earn dividends and potentially benefit from the real estate market's growth without the hassle of property ownership. Thank you for watching our video on top 6 passive income cash flow assets to make you a millionaire. We hope you found the information insightful and useful. If you enjoyed the content, we would appreciate your support by leaving a comment, giving the video a like, and subscribing to the New Africa Wealth channel. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos in the future.